Ever thought about which motorcycles can run for more than 100 miles without oil before giving out? I've collected input from seasoned mechanics, long-distance riders, and decades of reliability data to create the ultimate list of motorcycles that just don't quit. These are the bikes that shrug off maintenance schedules and effortlessly rack up six-figure mileages. If you're worn out from pouring time and money into constant repairs, it might be time to switch to one of these legendary machines. Let's jump right in. Number 8. Royal Enfield Bullet 350. The Royal Enfield Bullet 350 has been in continuous production since 1932, making it one of the longest-running yet still relevant motorcycle designs on the road today. Known for its unmatched toughness, the Bullet 350 can endure years of wear and tear with only the most basic maintenance. Its 350cc single-cylinder engine is simple and fuel-efficient, making it a practical choice for long-term ownership. With steel frames and body panels, it's built to resist wear. Producing 20.2 bhp at 6,100 rpm and 27 Nm of torque at 4,000 rpm, it ensures lower engine and gearbox strain, translating to long-lasting, low-stress performance. Owners often report surpassing 100,000 miles with nothing more than routine care. The engine's long-stroke design reduces internal stress, and replacement parts are both affordable and easy to find. The only notable weak spot is the electrical system, though modern iterations have made big improvements. If you're after a straightforward bike with minimal electronics and affordable upkeep, the Bullet 350 is an excellent pick. Number 7. Honda CBR600 F4i. The Honda CBR600 F4i is celebrated for its bulletproof reliability and is easily one of the most dependable sport bikes ever produced. Debuting in the early 2000s and refreshed in 2006, this machine proves that high-performance bikes don't always require high maintenance. Its 110 HP fuel-injected inline-4 engine remains incredibly durable, even under the pressures of track days. With 41mm telescopic front forks and a Pro-Link rear suspension, the F4i strikes a balance between performance and comfort, allowing it to withstand periods of neglect with ease. The 599cc liquid-cooled inline-4 delivers smooth power and handles high RPMs like a champ. Many owners go beyond the recommended service intervals without issue, with 50,000 miles often considered just the start. Many examples easily push past 100,000 miles. Honda's fuel injection system is remarkably reliable, and even common components, like the regulator or rectifier, rarely fail. If you're after a hard-working sport bike that stands the test of time, the F4i is a no-brainer. Number 6. Honda Rebel 500. When it comes to smoothness, dependability, and affordability, the Honda Rebel 500 is tough to beat. With just the right amount of power, it's a perfect match for both newcomers and seasoned riders alike. The Rebel 500 is all about clean simplicity, classic cruiser looks mixed with modern function, especially in models from 2017 and beyond. It's powered by a 4.7cc parallel twin engine, borrowed from Honda's CB500 line, another durability champ. This engine operates far below its stress limit, contributing to its long lifespan. The Rebel's 46.9 horsepower at 8,500 RPM ensures brisk acceleration in city traffic and solid cruising on the highway. It can comfortably hold speeds of 100 to 120 km/h without a hiccup. With a liquid-cooled engine wrapped in a cruiser frame, the Rebel 500 is every bit a modern classic. Maintenance is easy and running costs are low, thanks to impressive fuel efficiency. Many owners have crossed the 50,000-mile mark with only basic upkeep. Its cooling system keeps the engine temp in check, while Honda's transmission remains butter smooth even after years of riding. Whether you're commuting, cruising back roads, or hitting the highway, the Rebel 500 is a dependable choice. Want more power? Consider the Rebel 1100. Just starting out, the Rebel 300 is your perfect intro ride. Number 5. Honda XR650L. The Honda XR650L is an off-road legend that doubles as a tough-as-nails dual-sport bike. With a 644cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine, this machine is built with simplicity and ruggedness in mind. While it doesn't boast the latest tech, that's exactly why riders trust it to get them through thousands of miles without a hiccup. Its air-cooled design means fewer moving parts to fail, and its high ground clearance and long travel suspension make it ready for serious terrain. Producing around 40 horsepower and nearly 47 Nm of torque, it offers enough grunt for trails and backroads while staying manageable for daily riding. One of the biggest reasons for its near-immortal status is how understressed the engine is. Riders have pushed these bikes well past 100,000 miles with minimal engine work, sometimes just routine oil changes and valve checks. It's not the most refined ride on pavement, but if you want a reliable dual sport that's been field-tested for decades, the XR650L is hard to beat. Number 4. BMW R1200 GS. Few bikes have a reputation as rock-solid as the BMW R1200 GS. This adventure tourer has carried riders around the world, from scorching deserts to freezing mountain passes, and it rarely breaks a sweat. Its 170cc air liquid-cooled boxer twin makes around 125 horsepower and a hefty 125 Nm of torque, all while maintaining remarkable smoothness and balance. The boxer engine's opposed cylinder design helps keep vibration low and durability high. What really sets the R1200 GS apart is its build quality and long-distance comfort, paired with shaft drive and top-shelf electronics that stand up to years of abuse. It's common to see GS models surpassing 200,000 miles, and some have even crossed the 300,000 mark with routine maintenance. The telelever front suspension reduces dive under braking and prolongs component life. Maintenance isn't exactly cheap, but it's less frequent than you'd expect, and reliability is top tier. If you're looking for a motorcycle that laughs in the face of extreme mileage and remote travel, the R1200 GS is a proven warrior. Number 3. Suzuki SV650. The Suzuki SV650 has been called the perfect beginner bike, but don't let that label fool you. This machine has serious staying power. It's powered by a 645cc V-twin that makes just over 70 horsepower, and it's known for its strong low-end torque, lightweight chassis, and bulletproof reliability. Whether you're commuting, canyon carving, or tracking your mileage on long rides, the SV650 delivers consistent performance without complaint. Its engine is nearly indestructible when maintained properly, and many riders have surpassed 80,000 or even 100,000 miles with nothing but basic servicing. The fuel-injected versions, especially post-2003, are even more dependable. The SV's simplicity is part of its charm. No unnecessary electronics, minimal bodywork, and just enough power to keep things fun. You'll often find older SVs still running like new after years of use, making this bike one of the best values in the used market. If you want a no-fuss, do-it-all machine that'll last a lifetime, the SV650 delivers. Number 2. Honda Goldwing. The Honda Goldwing isn't just a motorcycle. It's a legend on two wheels, especially the GL1800 model, which packs a 1,932cc flat-six engine that's smoother than most car engines and built to last forever, designed with long-distance comfort. In mine, the Goldwing also boasts unmatched reliability. Riders routinely put 200,000, 300,000, even 400,000 miles on these bikes with minimal fuss. The flat-six engine layout is inherently balanced, and Honda engineered it for long-term durability. Many owners report never needing anything beyond routine fluid changes, brake pads, and tire replacements. The shaft drive, low-revving engine, and rock-solid build all contribute to its longevity. While it's heavy and not exactly nimble, the Goldwing more than makes up for it with highway poise and luxury features that put most cars to shame. If you want a bike that will outlive most vehicles on the road, the GL1800 is hard to beat. Number 1. Honda CB750. At number 1 is the Honda CB750. A motorcycle that didn't just earn a reputation for reliability, it helped define it. Released in 1969, the CB750 was the first production superbike, featuring a 736cc inline-4 engine with overhead cam and a disc brake, cutting-edge stuff for its time. But what made it truly special was how well it held up over the years. The engine is known for being almost unbreakable. With proper maintenance, it's common to see these bikes still running strong over 100,000 miles later. The inline-4 layout delivers smooth, consistent power, and the engine tolerates neglect better than most. Parts are still available thanks to its popularity, and the simplicity of its design makes it relatively easy to work on. Even decades later, the CB750 became the blueprint for modern motorcycles and remains a symbol of Japanese engineering done right. If you're looking for a classic that refuses to die, the CB750 is the gold standard. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the most reliable motorcycles ever built, hit that like button and subscribe for more bike content. Got a favorite we missed? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear your picks. Ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.